warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Mutmainah. Today I would like to deliver a report based on an interview conducted at Ibnu Qasim Islamic Boarding School. This report discusses learning method, curriculum management and student character development in Islamic boarding school. The interview was conducted with Miss Jumrawanti, a teacher at Ibnu Qasim Islamic Boarding School, with regarding learning method. Based on the interview, Ibnu Qasim Islamic Boarding School applies learning method that integrate religious education with general education. One of the methods used is project-based learning. Through this method, students do not only learn theory but also practice it in real activities. For example, in science lesson, students learn about planting activities. At the same time, in Islamic education, students are taught that loving and caring for plants means loving nature. This value is part of Islamic teachings. So, science education and Islamic education are taught together in a meaningful way. In addition, this school also support a program for the Ministry of Religious Affairs called Planting 1,000 Matwa trees. This program is considered activities because it combines science learning with Islamic values and character education. Next, about traditional learning method. Although modern methods are used, Ibnu Qasim Islamic Boarding School still maintain traditional methods such as Sarogan and Bandongan. According to Ms. Jumrawanti, these methods are still important and relevant today. Bandongan is a face-to-face learning method between a teacher and student. Sarogan is similar to dictation, where the teacher reads and the text and student listen carefully. So this method, teacher can directly see student understanding and learning progress. Now, regarding curriculum management, Ibnu Qasim Islamic Boarding School is under the supervision of the Ministry of Religious Affairs. Then, the main curriculum comes from the ministry. However, the most important role is played by the Kiai or the head of the boarding school. Teachers and religious instructors also take a part in developing additional policies based on student needs. Next, about student character development. Character development can be seen in all areas of the boarding school. It happens in classroom, religious activities, and dormitory life. However, the most significant character development takes place in the dormitory. This is because students live there for 24 hours a day. In the dormitory, students learn discipline, responsibility, independence, and social skills. Their interaction plays a major role in shaping student character. Now, about general education. General education are taught every day from 7 a.m. until 12 p.m. After that, students focus on religious education. This system shows a balance between general knowledge and religious knowledge. Finally, about student development. In terms of memorization, students have memorization activities almost every night except Friday night. This activity is called Mapangolo. Students recite their memorization to teacher or religious instructors. For academic achievement, the school conduct examination at the end of each semester. These exams are used to evaluate student learning outcomes. In conclusion, Ibnu Qasim Islamic Boarding School applies a balanced education system. It combines religious education, general education, and a character development. The combination of a modern and a traditional method helps the school respond modern challenges without leaving Islamic values. That is all for this report. I am Nur Mutmainna from the English Education Study Program of Yayan Parepare. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.